to some mathematics in this video. If 3 to the power 4m is equal to 4 raised to the power 3n is equal to 5184, we are to find the value of mn over m plus n. So let's see how we are going to do this. So if this is equal to that, then we can say 3 raised to the power 4m is equal to 5184, and then 4 raised to the power 3n will also be equal to 5184. So let's continue. So for 3 raised to the power 4m 5184, this is the same as 3 raised to the power 4 all raised to the power m equal to 5184. So we have 81 raised to the power m, which is equal to 5184. Now let's make 81 the subject. I want to get rid of the m, so we raise both sides to the power 1 over m. So when we do that, 1 over m, do the same thing here, 1 over m. So this m will cancel. We have 81 is equal to 5184 all raised to the power 1 over m. Let's label this one as equation 1. And we also said that 4 raised to the power 3n is equal to 5184. And this is the same as 4 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power n is equal to 184. So we have 64 raised to the power n, which is equal to 184. The same concept. We want to get rid of n here. So we raise both sides to the power 1 over n, 1 over n. So this n will cancel it here. So we have 64, which is equal to 5184 all raised to the power 1 over n. Let's label this one as equation 2. Don't forget what we have been asked to find. Mn over m plus n. Okay. So looking at the expression here, we can multiply equation 1 and then 2. So when you do that, the left hand side will be 81 times 64, which is equal to 5184 raised to the power n times 5184 raised to the power n. So from indices, a to the power x times b to the power the same a to the power y. It is the same as a, you add the exponent. So we have 81 times 64, which is equal to 5184 raised to the power m times 5184 raised to the power n. This will be equal to 5184 all raised to the power, because the bases are the same, 1 over m plus 1 over n. And 81 times 64 is also 5184. Now let's raise this part. The bases are the same and we can use the same concept. So this implies that 1 over m plus 1 over n is equal to 1. So let's find the LCM, which is mn. So here we'll go here, n plus, this is m. So we are getting 1. This implies that m plus n over m n equal to 1. Now we still, this is the same as 1. We want to find m n over m plus n. So we can turn this one. So m n over m plus n will still be. Viewers, thank you very much for staying with me throughout this period. I appreciate your time. You are watching me for the first time and you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button if you have not, and also turn on your notification button if you want more of these exciting and engaging videos. Don't forget to also like the video. Thank you. Bye.